Hello, kindergarten friends. Mrs. Burnside here. Just wanted to share another story with you today. And today the story that I chose is called Charlie Goes to School. And this is actually, these Charlie books are a series. So if you like this one, you can look into some other Charlie books. And this one, you'll see why I chose it in just a second, because I think you guys will be able to understand. So again, it's called Charlie Goes to School by Ree Drummond, and that's the author's name. It's also down here, or up here, sorry. Ree Drummond, the author, is the person that writes the words in the story. And then down here it says illustrated by Diane DeGroat, and that is the person that drew the picture. So the illustrator draws the pictures and the author writes the words, and then their names are inside here as well. Oh, hello. Charlie the ranch dog here. Things are sure busy around the old homestead today. So this is Charlie right here. And you can see it looks like Charlie lives someplace that there's a lot of animals. So what's the place called that you might live where you might have a lot of animals? And I don't just mean dogs. If you look in the background, I think I see some horses as well. I know I don't have any horses at my house. Daddy's busy fixing a tire. And oh, looks like Charlie's taking a nap. I'm helping, of course. Cowboy Josh is busy shoeing a horse. He's giving him some new horseshoes. He'd never be able to do it without me. Does it look like Charlie's helping? I don't think so. Let's see, trying to get you a good picture here. The cows are busy taking care of their calves. Okay, so I can't help out much here. You can see the cows are taking care of their babies, which are called calves, and Charlie's not much help there either. Let's see, this one. As for Mama, she's busy in the house with the kids. I'd better get in there and lend a hand. I imagine Mama could use a little help right about now. I'm Charlie the ranch dog after all. This place would simply fall apart if I wasn't here. So there he goes inside and he's saying, hello? What's everybody doing? I see books. I see a chalkboard. Why, I do believe they're doing school. I remember school. Mama told me all about it. Lots of kids go to school at school, and lots of kids go to school at home. And that's you guys right now, right? We're all doing school at home, and that's what Charlie's family is doing as well. So you see Mom's helping out. She's teaching. We see some kids reading, doing their writing. And it looks like Charlie wants to get in on the action too. My family goes to school at home. It's lots and lots of fun. There's math time. I love math, especially the subtraction part. And it looks like he's using animal crackers here to help him do math. But uh-oh, look at Charlie. I think he's trying to steal some. And there's reading time. Those are definitely the strangest looking cows I've ever seen. Oh, is that a cow on the book? No, it's a giraffe, right? Charlie thinks that's a silly looking cow. There's also recess time. It's important for the kids to get lots of exercise. I should know, Exercise is a way of life for me. Whoop, does Charlie look like he gets a lot of exercise? Doesn't look that way, does it? And there's the kids. Looks like they're kicking around the soccer ball. And this little boy here has a football under his arm. And they're having some recess time. You guys will enjoy recess time when we go back to school. But hopefully you're getting outside and playing in the fresh air at home as well, right? During lunchtime maybe, or after school hours. That's important. And best of all, there's snack time. I hope you guys have snack time also. Yum! Snack time is my life. And there's Charlie getting some more snacks. And there's Mom. Looks like she's bringing out some lemonade. After snack time, it's time to get back inside and hit the books. Put that down a little bit. And there's Charlie. Hey, I have an idea, he says. I could start my own school. These fellas sure could use an education. And I think he's talking about all of those animals. Susie needs to learn her letters. They come in handy when it comes to reading about food. Here, for instance, the letters say, "This is food only for Charlie. Please do not touch." Focus, Susie, focus. And there's Susie there, focusing on the words. Kitty needs to practice his math. Numbers are very important when it comes to counting food. Don't play, Kitty, count. So there they are with the animal crackers again, and they're using them for counting. The ranch horses need to brush up on their history. So he put a book about the Middle Ages down in front of them. Do you think horses are going to be able to read that book? I don't think so either. And Walter? Well, Walter needs to learn everything. Sleeping? How can you sleep at a time like this? And little Walter's taking a nap. Wait a minute. What in the world is going on around here? I don't think the students in Charlie's class are doing a very good job listening. Looks like they're running all over the place. Class! If you don't start working on your school, there will definitely be no snack today. Now help me get this place cleaned up before Mama sees it. And it looks like they made quite the mess. Phew, this school sure is hard work. I think I need recess. And he's yawning. Or maybe a nap would be better. Uh-oh, he's taking a nap, but look, I don't think anybody cleaned up what they were supposed to clean up, do you? I don't think so. I can always start my school again tomorrow. And there he is, taking his nap with Walter. And that is the end. But I want to show you on the back, this is the author and the real Charlie. And it says, "This is my wonderful ranch dog, Charlie. Charlie has floppy ears, droopy eyes, and pretty short legs. He loves to eat bacon, take long naps, eat bacon, take long naps, and eat bacon. He's a funny guy, and I wouldn't change a thing about him. So the author wrote a whole series of stories all about her dog, Charlie. And this one was all about Charlie Goes to School. So I hope you guys enjoyed that one. As I said, I'll try to share a story with you one way or another each day. And I hope you enjoy them. And have a great day, guys. Bye.